Hello, my name is Josh Arman. I'm the service manager here at Waconia Ford, your hometown Ford dealer since 1925. If you have a couple minutes, I would like to ask you something. Do you notice a strange squeaking or skipping sound coming from your windshield wiper blades? Maybe the blades aren't clearing your windshield anymore, but smearing and creating streaks instead. If that's the case, then it's time for a change. If you don't have your replacement blades readily available, then they can be found right here at our dealership's parts department. To remove the old blades, raise the wiper to its max distance from the windshield and hold the arm steadily with one hand while using the other to press the tab on the underside of the blade. Slide the wiper off and discard. Align your new wiper in the same place that the old one was connected and make sure that the arm is between the sides of the wiper. Pull the wiper into the arm hooks carefully and lock it into place. Then gently lower the arm back to the windshield. Regardless of condition, be sure to change the windshield wipers every 6 months to assure optimum performance. Waconia Ford service technicians are highly trained to address and treat any automotive concerns that come their way. To schedule your service appointment, visit www.waconiaford.com. Click on the Service tab, click on the Schedule Service dropdown to submit your appointment request. Thank you, we look forward to seeing you.